If you're anything like me, your Gmail account is filled with solicitation emails that you've accidentally subscribed to. Well, there's an easy way to unsubscribe, and it's not going into the email, scrolling to the bottom, and looking for that hidden unsubscribe button. What you need to do is go to your inbox, and at the very top of your browser, you'll see the URL. What you need to do is get rid of the word inbox after that hashtag and put the word sub, S-U-B. Then hit enter. This will take you to all of your subscriptions within Gmail, and now you can unsubscribe so easily by just hitting the unsubscribe button on the right. That is so much better than digging through each email and scrolling and having to find that button yourself. So this is just a really great tip that I think everyone can use, and it's super helpful and really cleans up everything. So if you found this useful, give me a like. Thank you guys for watching.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my explainer video channel.